Inspired design, intuitive new technology, modern luxury and engaging dynamics. The new Jaguar XF. The exterior has been updated with a new precision-engineered front grille and advanced pixel LED headlights, which combined with the Leaper fender vents and new bumpers at the rear and front, give the XF a dynamic new look. The new headlights feature a distinctive double J graphic and animated directional indicators, and an extended range of wheels provides the finishing touch to the new XF. The streamlined design of the XF Sportbrake has also been enhanced. The elegant low roofline creates an aerodynamic silhouette, and distinctive taillights further sharpen the Sportbrake's rear profile. Spacious and luxurious, the interior has been completely redesigned. Sumptuous double-stitched soft leather, combined with high-quality finishes, new veneers and chrome accents work in perfect harmony. The all-new drive selector with cricket ball stitching has been ergonomically redesigned to sit perfectly within the palm of your hand. And at the heart of this interior lies the all-new Pivi Pro infotainment system, which features a contemporary 11.4-inch touchscreen. Beautifully crafted seats with Jaguar monogram detailing and embossed Leaper reinforce the meticulous attention to detail that is evident throughout the interior. And configurable ambient cabin lighting provides a choice of 10 different colors to suit your mood. The Sportbrake interior offers the same spacious and refined accommodation, with ample headroom and legroom both front and rear. And the versatile load space provides substantial capacity to meet the demands of your lifestyle. At the heart of the interior lies the all-new Pivi Pro infotainment system. The 11.4-inch touchscreen has a smartphone-like interface that allows you to instantly connect with the vehicle's key features via the home screen, or with the new enhanced voice control. The navigation has been redesigned, as well as the online search functionality. This advanced new system learns your regular routes, constantly monitors traffic conditions, and offers alternative routing if necessary. With Jaguar's remote app, Pivi Pro can also be accessed via your mobile phone, enabling you to remotely set the cabin temperature, access navigation, and monitor fuel level. And wireless device charging with signal boosting technology ensures your mobile is fully charged. Fully customizable seats cleverly integrate a variable massage function. And the optional concert-quality Meridian surround sound system ensures your journey is always a stimulating experience. The ClearSight interior rear view mirror uses a discreetly placed camera within the roof pod to ensure you have a clear line of sight even when the rear view is obscured. An optional water and shockproof activity key can be used to lock, unlock, and start your vehicle. Optional pixel LED headlights scan the road ahead and shape the adaptive driving beam to ensure maximum illumination, helping to avoid dazzling other traffic. Software over the air enables software updates to be sent directly to the vehicle. Intelligent driveline dynamics monitors the road hundreds of times every second. This, combined with the advanced suspension system, ensures agile, composed handling and exceptional grip. And rear self-leveling air suspension maintains the Sportbrake's precision handling, even when fully loaded. The new range of lightweight engines now includes mild hybrid electrification options for even greater fuel efficiency and lower CO2 emissions. MHEV, or mild hybrid technology, harvests energy from deceleration and braking, intelligently redeploying it to provide smooth engine power when pulling away and driving at low speeds. Active road noise cancellation technology ensures the interior space is always calm and refined. The XF is equipped with multiple driving modes, such as dynamic mode, which delivers a sharper, more responsive drive. Configurable dynamics enables the driver to customize the vehicle's driving characteristics by adjusting throttle mapping, steering, suspension, and gear changes, personalizing your specific driving style. For ice or snow, winter mode ensures maximum traction, grip, and stability, no matter how treacherous the conditions.